Hey, get ready for a segment I'm calling Nobody Asked. On this episode of Nobody Asked, this is a Euplotes. Euplotes are one of the approximately 8,000 different species of ciliates and are generally thought to be the most complex and highly evolved of all of the protozoans. Their body is covered in thousands of tiny little hairs called cilia. They can pulse and wave these cilia to move themselves through the water. Their underside is lined with rows of bundled and modified cilia called cirri. The Euplotes can use these cirri just like legs to walk around their environment. Perhaps one of the most agile protozoans out there, the Euplotes are highly capable of locating food, escaping predators, and even breeding. Mostly, Euplotes will reproduce asexually by cellular fission. However, they can find a mate and do the deed protozoan style by a process called conjugation. Euplotes are very small, measuring at about 65 microns, or 0.065 millimeters, well beyond visibility with the naked eye. Euplotes are found mostly in freshwater environments. However, two species have been recorded as living inside the digestive tracts of sea urchins, taking part in what's called a commensal relationship. That's where one member benefits from the situation and the other either benefits or is unaffected. And that's it for this episode of Nobody Asked.